CNC double heads interior polishing machine. Undergo a complete heat treatment process to eliminate internal residual stress, making the machine sufficiently rigid and highly stable, thereby obtaining strong cutting force, significantly improving production efficiency and polishing quality. At the same time, the control system of this machine adopts high-speed field bus technology, which can achieve high-speed and accurate polishing process control of the machine. This machine can form an automatic production line with models such as bottom polishing and edge polishing, and is mainly suitable for mass polishing production of inner surface of soup pans, frying pans, and other products.